القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Welcome to lesson number 3 in the Sifaat al-Huruf, introduction to the Tajweed program. The Sifaat al-Huruf, that's known as Sifaat in short, are the qualities of the letters. So previously we did the articulation points, meaning where the particular letters are emitted from. And now we will do the qualities of the letters which actually differentiate the different letters, as we will see now. So the current lesson is inherently linked to the previous, as it again looks at the points of articulation, but in a very detailed way. These letters are known as the Sifaat al-Huruf, or qualities are known as Sifaat al-Huruf, or Sifaat for short, translated as you already know. Now, the definition of Sifaat al-Huruf, the qualities of the letters which differentiate the different letters which come from the same or similar makhraj points. So the qualities of the letters which differentiate each other, the different letters which come from the same or similar makhraj points. So the example for this is, we know from previous lessons that the dal, ta and ta are the tarful lisan letters, and they all touch the roots of the upper incisors. So how do they differ? It is the Sifaat which differentiates them. So the Sifaat ensure that these letters come with the specific sounds that they're supposed to come with. So the correct articulation of the Sifaat make the letters very clear and helps protect the reader from making a mistake. It takes much practice to master the Sifaat, and the student should practice this a lot to become proficient in them. Indeed, and this is very important, indeed it is the Sifaat which makes the difference between a good reciter and an average one. So of course in QuranicMastery.com we are trying to make masters of the Quran, and this is one of the areas in which you should really practice to ensure that you can become a master reciter of the Quran, and inshallah join the master reciters and those angels in Jannah on the Day of Judgment. So there are two categories of Sifaat: As-Sifaat al-Asliyah and As-Sifaat al-Ardiyah. So all of the qualities taught in this lesson are going to be the intrinsic qualities, meaning the Sifaat al-Asliyah. There are 10 Sifaat with opposites and a further 7 without opposites. And an important thing to consider is that every single letter has at least 5 Sifaat. Every single letter has at least 5 Sifaat. So this is what makes the letters different from each other. And on the next page, we will look at the Sifaat themselves and the qualities and what they are.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.